Isn't she beautiful? I picked up this toolbox for next to nothing on Facebook Marketplace. Here's the listing that I found, and I honestly thought it was a joke or a scam or if it was just for this top box. But that's right, $25 for a loaded toolbox. I had no idea what was inside. There was just the one picture, so let's check it out. I tried looking up the toolbox here. Obviously, we have a sticker down here for Cal Professional Tool Chests. It feels very well made, very heavy duty, very thick steel. So if you guys have any experience with this brand, let me know below because it really is a nice toolbox. I couldn't find anything here on the top, but obviously as we deep dive in here, maybe we'll find some more things. It is a little dirty. There's probably some stickers that used to be on here and that little bit of surface rust. So we'll clean that up a little bit. The guy that was selling it, his family members passed away, and man, it was a shop full to the brim of stuff. And the guy was just gonna let the next home buyer take everything. I said, hey man, let me know if you get rid of anything else, but he was like, I don't wanna deal with it. I just wanna get rid of some of the toolboxes so the garage has some room. So I was really fortunate, really appreciate this guy's generosity. And let's see what we got. So the tub is always a fun place to start. Cleveland twist drill, some tap and die thread sizes, and spark plug cables. Got some tools. Interesting. 4-piece plier set. Huh. KR tools. Well, let's see all 4 of them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So brand new. Yeah, look, brand spanking new set of tools. Some liners. You know, some sponges and kind of the grosser garbage things. Oh, a little pet hair remover. And a brand new set of vice grips. It's a lifetime warranty. Huh, cool. Looks like some new tools. I mean, all brand new tools. I wonder why. Maybe spare set of things. 7-piece tool set. It looks like there's some in there. And then, yeah, lucky day. So already starting off pretty strong. Lots of different tools. And all the drawers are like glide very, very smoothly. Lots of practically new hardware. Some springs. Is this the best electrical tape? 3M, best electrical tape ever. Don't listen to anybody else says unless they say 3M, because that stuff is the bomb. Some little paint brushes. A napkin ring. Wow. No way that's in there. Doesn't think it's in there. What a interesting hodgepodge. Oh, yeah, look at that. Very, very nice. I'll get this real quick. Oh, prescription. And whoa, some conduit clamps, some thread, mini hooks. What's that? That's cool. A camera from Pep Boys. Why? Why would they sell cameras? I guess to take pictures of your car. Duh. That's cool. Some bearings, doorbell. What is that? Galvanized carriage bolts. Yeah, that's cool. Stuff like this just makes it really cool to find because, as I always go on and on about, hardware is expensive. It's ridiculous how expensive things are, and it's always nice to have your own stuff. And another full thing. We got a couple more tools. $1.50. Some Dorman parts, vacuum caps. So a lot of different electrical things. Shower curtain rod clips. And some thread sealant. And actually, that RTV is probably no bueno. Oh, that's cool. And let's check out the bottom. We'll start with that bottom drawer. Nice try. Got to keep you on your toes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Old phone. Old receipt book. Doesn't say where. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're going to plug this sucker in. We are going to plug this sucker in. I'm guessing, yeah, it's a little cordless screwdriver. Look at that. Ugh. Sounds awful. Some sealants. Oh, they're still pliable too. Yeah, tons of that. And that's cool, an old meter. And some manuals. And that's it. Whoa. Well, no wonder the toolbox was so heavy. A whole thing of towing chains. Really handy to have. Some plumbing stuff. Looks like some fill valves. Microfiber towels. Yeah, lots of toilet stuff, a hanger. What do we got here? Oof, yuck. Some gloves. Racing stripe, easy to apply. Nice. What is this? Nice. So obviously, I'm guessing this person was probably mostly in the automotive industry, but maybe this was just for their home box. Lots of different home game project kind of stuff, hardware. Okay. Lots of different stuff. Drill bits. Marker. Keys. Just maybe we'll be lucky enough to find the keys in here. I'll update you guys. Well, we found one key. Hardware. Cotter pins. Mail. Some brushes. Ooh, hinges. Lots and lots of hinges. Digital stream. Nice. What a very odd assortment. Not a lot of tools, but a lot of cool little knickknacks. And ratchet strap. Hardware, hooks, hangers, envelopes, service tags. No keys. But, oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, that's from Craftsman. That's really cool. Oh, look at that. Socket organizer. Talk about a beautiful box. Great condition. Lots of life left. I wish they were made like this more often, at least on the cheaper end of things. But gonna clean it up a little bit. And man, what a nice little addition to the shop. Thanks for watching. Questions or especially your comments or thoughts, would really appreciate it below. Thank you all for your advice, and check out my other toolbox finds and tool finds on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and even the Nextdoor app. Thanks for watching.